In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the shapes window in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the page that contains your draw.io diagram inside the editor. Once you're on that page, click on the diagram itself. When you select it, a floating toolbar should appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up and launch the diagram editor where you can make changes to the diagram. After the editor opens, look over to the left side of the screen. In most cases, you should immediately see the Shapes panel there. This panel is the area that gives you quick access to the different shapes and elements you can drag into your diagram, so it's an important part of the editing workspace. If the Shapes panel is already visible, then you're all set. But if it's hidden for some reason, there are two simple ways to bring it back. The first option is to use a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and K on your keyboard at the same time. As soon as you do that, the Shapes panel should reappear on the left side of the editor. This is usually the fastest method, especially if you want to quickly restore the panel without clicking through menus. If you prefer using the menu instead, there's another easy way to do the same thing. Go to the top menu bar in the diagram editor and click View. In the drop-down menu, select Shapes. Once you click that, the Shapes panel will be shown on the left. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. The keyboard shortcut is great for speed, while the View menu is helpful if you want to visually confirm the setting inside the editor. One useful tip is to check the left side of the workspace before assuming something is missing, because sometimes the panel may already be open but easy to overlook depending on your screen size or layout. If it does disappear, just remember that Ctrl, Shift, and K or the View menu will quickly bring it back. And that's all there is to it. Once the Shapes window is visible, you can continue editing your draw.io diagram normally in Confluence or Jira.